IELTS/TOEFL Vocabulary Lesson 4, Nature and Environment, Habitat. The natural environment where an animal or plant lives. Elephants are dying from loss of habitat, poaching and ineffective worldwide policing. Endangered species, a type of plant or animal that might stop existing. The Bengal tiger of India is considered an endangered species now. To have a green thumb. To have the ability to grow plants well. My brother has a green thumb and has a whole garden full of fresh vegetables and herbs. Deforestation. The cutting down of trees in an area. The rise in deforestation has caused frequent flooding in many areas. To go solar. To collect solar energy by using solar energy panels. All big companies are going solar these days. Do you know the meaning of afforestation? Tell us in the comments below.